Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML forms. And right now, we'll be discussing about the HTML form target attribute. The target attribute specifies where to display the response that is received after submitting the form. The target attribute can have one of the following values. The target attribute can have blank value, underscore blank value, underscore self value, underscore parent value, underscore top value, and it can have frame name. The underscore blank value is going to display the display the content in a new window tab. So when you specify underscore self value, it's going to display the content in your current window, and if you use underscore parent value, it's going to display the content in the parent frame, and the top is going to display the content in the full body of the window. When you specify the frame name, it's going to send the response to the name frame. So I'm going to explain all this in details. Please, I want you guys to follow along. But to be honest with you guys, the default value of this target attribute, the default value is self, which means that the response will open in the current window. It's not going to take us to anywhere, or it will be on the current window and take us and reload at that current page. So I'm going to be showing you these tricks gently one by one now. So just let us get going gently. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you, and to the next.